All right, this is a quick overview video of how to make a call and how to view the dashboard properly and the current functionality for testing out the first agent. So you'll navigate over to the claim status verification call site. The first thing you actually have to do here is go in and check the data input. So you can play around with this different set of information to see how Alli responds and how Alli is able to give that back in the call in order to represent any facility, any member, and their claims. Currently, we have it set up to do 2 claims. We can also have it set to do 1 or 3, but we found with really more than 2, sometimes the agent won't do all of the claims and it might forget and hang up early. So right now, doing 1 or 2 claims, we can simply just send more calls instead of doing more claims at once. But you can put in the information here. Most important is going to be specifically the update you would want. This would get passed from your database, but for now, you could try different types of updates. The default right now is just confirming that records were received and receive a status update. That's the main information that Alli is going to try to go and get. The rest is just information that Alli would need with an insurance representative in order to properly retrieve that information. So then you would go over. There is some information explaining all of this as well, but this demo is mainly to show you the buttons. So you need to first, I even forgot, hit submit insurance information, wait, now you can see it's been submitted. Now come over here, this also helps. That would say that on everything, but number format needs to be your 11-digit, and then you can validate if you think it's having issues, and it'll tell you. And now you can place your call, and it will call your phone number. I've also provided a mock transcript. You don't have to follow this exactly, but the idea is following a version of this that would actually mimic a call that you would have with an insurance representative, and in order to see how Alli would respond to that call and be able to get the information. And you can play around with different versions of this call. Then once you're done, you'll navigate to your results tab, which after a call just got completed, you will have to refresh the dashboard. In order to see that new call come in, you can toggle anything along the top to reorient the columns. And then right now, the main information we have coming back is just a general information about the claim, information related to like the status, and then the actual status itself, so a simplified version. So you could just go and get this information back, and that's what Alli would return. We are open to feedback for the information you would want to have passed back for these calls. Additionally, we know it's important to capture the call reference number, so that should be being done in every call. And finally, you can check the details for any call and come in and see the status, duration, sentiment, and disconnection reason for every call, and your transcript in order to review how Alli is actually hearing the call, essentially, and you can also play the recording to see how the call went and maybe recap different parts of it to try to see where things might have gone wrong. And yeah, you also get your general metrics, and that's about it for the walkthrough.